Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the topic Vehicle Service Reminder, which is an Android app. Then comes the abstract of our process. This project Vehicle Service Reminder, an Android app, was developed to maintain the vehicle service details. Mostly people forget the date of the vehicle service. So to avoid this, we created an app. So in this app, user can enter the details of the bill received during the vehicle service. So the details may contain details like the name of the vehicle and what are the spares changed in the vehicle and the how much amount they have spent and also the date of the services. So once the user enter the service date, the renewal date will be automatically shown in the GUI. And also the notification will also be sent to the user mobile. So if the user want to save more than these details like the name of the vehicle, spare and amount, other than these details, if the user want to save means, then it is also possible. Extra content also can be added by the user. And also the vehicle was categorized by two-wheelers and the four-wheelers. So regarding the two-wheelers and four-wheelers, the category of the spares will be changed. And also the saved details can be modified if needed. And also if the user does not need the service details means it also can be deleted by the user. And also if a user is new to a particular location means, then if the user doesn't know about the petrol stations nearby him, can also be viewed by our app. That is the nearby petrol stations for the user will be shown. And also the daily fuel rates, that is the petrol and diesel rates, can also be viewed by using our app. Then comes the flow diagram of our process. Flow diagram shows the overall process diagrammatically. So these are all the steps we are going to follow in the process. So there are four categories in our app, that is adding the receipt of the vehicle services and viewing that bill, and also finding the petrol diesel rate and the finding the nearby petrol stations. So while adding the receipt of the vehicles, so first we have to categorize the vehicle, that is whether it is a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. So if it is a two-wheeler, the category of the spare parts will be changed between the two-wheeler and the four-wheeler. So this is the difference between the two-wheeler and the four-wheeler. So we have to enter the details like name of the vehicle and also the amount spent for the services, and the if any spares are changed, then we have to select these spares, and we have to enter the service date. So regarding the service date, the renewal date will be automatically shown in the GUI. And other than these details, if the user want to store any details like the service center shop name or phone number like that, it is also possible. So that is also can be saved, and these details will be saved. And once the details are saved, the notification will be sent to the user mobile for the renewal date. And this is the step for the both two-wheeler and the four-wheeler. So then comes viewing the bill. So while viewing the bill, it will show the name of the vehicle, service date and the renewal date. If the user clicks the vehicle name, it will show the detailed descriptions of the bill details which we are added during the adding the receipt. So these details will be viewed. So if the user want to update these details, it also can be updated, except the name of the vehicle. Other details about the receipt details can be updated by the user. And if the user doesn't need the service details anymore means, it can be deleted by the user. So while updating the details, the updated notification will be sent to the user mobile. And if the during updation, if the user update the service date, then the renewal date also will be changed regarding the service date. So that will be sent as a notification to the user mobile. So then petrol diesel rate. So petrol diesel rate, by clicking this, user can view the daily rates, and also user can view the petrol or diesel or auto gas like fuels types rate can be viewed by the user. Then petrol station. So from the current location of the user, the nearby petrol stations will be viewed in the uh, map, and also the locations of the petrol stations will also be displayed, and the list of the result, that is what are all the petrol stations available near to the user will also be shown in the map. Then comes the running procedure of our process. So this is the home page of the ramp vehicle service reminder. So these are the functionalities: adding the bill and viewing the bill details, and finding the petrol rate, and finding the nearby petrol station. So first we are going to see about adding the bill. So here categories, that is two wheeler and the four wheeler categories is differentiated. So for the two wheeler and for the four wheeler, the spare parts only will be the changes. So first we have to enter the vehicle name and select the spare, and give the amount, then the service date. So for selecting the service date, the date picker will be shown uh, when we click the service date board text. So the date picker will be shown automatically. So from that we have to select the month, date and year of the service date. So once selected, click OK. Then the service date and the renewal date will be shown. And if you then if you want anything details more than these, so we can enter here, and by saving the button, the bill will be added and the notification will be sent. So here the notification is sent. So this is for the four wheeler. Process will be done here, and also the notification will be sent. So the before we seen is the two wheeler, and now it is the four wheeler. So next process, view bill. So these are the two wheeler details, service date and renewal date. So these are the four wheeler details: vehicle name, service date, renewal date. So by clicking the vehicle name, it will show the details of the vehicle service detail. So here the vehicle name was Activa, and they changed spare and the amount, service date and the renewal date. These are all will be automatically shown, except the name. All other details can be updated. So if you want to change the amount or service date, you can change. So after changing, uh, it will be updated, and the notification will be sent. So for deleting also the same process. When once we delete, it will be deleted. So this is the notification which we get while adding and viewing the bills. So then comes the petrol station. So these are the petrol stations nearby my current location. So our app will track our current location, and it will show the nearby petrol stations. So these are all the stations nearby my current location. So by clicking this list results, it will show the list about the petrol stations. So then comes the petrol rate. So petrol rate, it will show us the today's petrol rate, and if the user want change see the diesel rate, this is the fuel type. So and the user can select the type, and check the rate of the diesel, petrol and auto gas, etc. So that's all about our process. Thank you.